Welcome back to Vision MBA guys. So today I'm going to discuss about the CMAT examination which is going to be held, but कब होने वाला है ये हमें अभी तक नहीं पता है. But guys, soon the examination registrations are going to start. So please don't waste your time and start preparing for the examinations. Now in this video I'm going to discuss that CMAT examination paper pattern. The exam is going to be held around March. Most probably in the month of March the examination will be there. There are some delays, I know, completely understand. Mostly the examination used to be there in the month of January, but now the examination is getting delayed. But don't wait for the registrations date to come up and then you start your preparation. And also to the students, I've got many calls from students saying that ma'am हमें CMAT exam के लिए prepare करना है, so 1 month is there. So is it possible that we can start the preparation now and within a month can we cover up the portion and everything? Guys, now in 1 month, is it possible for you guys to completely understand the syllabus, start all the syllabus, all the topics which are there, understand the GK? There is GK in CMAT examination. I'll be telling you the proper syllabus which is there for the examination in the video ahead. But for now guys, in 1 month, it is not possible to cover a whole portion. We can do it from our end. Being a faculty, anyone can teach you all the topics, everything, but you have to practice. Do you have that much of time and efforts to complete all the topics which are there in the books? All the mocks you need to give. This examination is for 3 hours. You need to dedicatedly sit for 3 hours, give the mocks, analyze completely, have a proper plan for it. So whether attempting CMAT and starting your preparation now, it is possible for students who have already appeared for such examinations. Now if you guys had prepared for CAT examination or maybe given your SNAP examination or the ZAT examination which was there earlier, so you have an idea, right? If you are a fresher and just planning ki no, I have to do my MBA this year only, so should I give my CMAT examination? The recommendation would be no guys, because it is difficult. It is not easier for you to take the examination and then you will get demotivated that I studied for a month but still I didn't get a score. Why? Because you need to have that much of practice. You need to analyze the questions, you need to give mocks. So guys, please stop थिंकिंग कि मुझे 1 महीने में पोर्शन कवर करके दे दो, मैं कर पाऊँगा. नहीं, ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं हो पाती है. आपको जीके करना है, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें. सो स्टार्ट एटलीस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम नाउ for the upcoming next year's examination or for the CET which is going to be held in the coming maybe around June or July. The CET examination would be there. Try preparing for that. Only for the people who have not yet any idea or not yet started for the preparation, please go for that. Don't fall for the examination. Yes, fill the application, go for the syllabus, start studying, but then practically keep it in your head that it is you're not going to able to score good. I'm not demotivating you guys. Yes, it is possible for the students who have already given such examinations. So don't say कि मैम 1 महीने में भी हो सकता है, we can easily do it. Yes, you can do it, but understanding that you have already aware about the portion and the topic. So